Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drum machines for guitarists that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Flamma FF20 Looper Pedal Drum Machine. This is a versatile tool that combines a stereo looper and a drum machine into one compact package. It offers an impressive 300 minutes of recording across 100 memory slots, making it a great choice for guitarists who want to experiment with layered compositions or save backing tracks for practice sessions. The built-in drum machine features 220 grooves across 11 styles, like rock, blues, funk, and pop, giving you plenty of rhythmic options for solo jams or live performances. Its design is intuitive, featuring dual foot switches for seamless control over recording and playback. The 2-inch full-color screen provides clear visuals for loop status, BPM, and drum patterns, ensuring precise operation. Additional features like time stretch, auto record, pop, and USB file transfer add to the convenience, while the headphone output is perfect for silent practice. The build quality is solid, with a sleek mint green finish that stands out and a lightweight design that's easy to carry. In terms of performance, the FF20 handles both looping and drum sequencing with ease, making it an excellent all-around tool for guitarists who want to expand their creative possibilities. However, the learning curve might be slightly steep for beginners due to its advanced features. Priced at $99.99, it offers solid value for its versatility and functionality. If you're a guitarist looking for a looper and drum machine combo with pro-level features, this is a fantastic option. Pros: great recording capacity, versatile drum machine, and intuitive design. Cons: advanced features may be overwhelming for beginners. Next up at number 4 is the Flamma FF02 Drum Machine Guitar Pedal. This pedal is a fantastic choice for guitarists who want a compact, performance-ready drum machine. It offers 121 drum grooves across 11 music genres, including rock, jazz, blues, and metal, making it a versatile tool for both practice and live gigs. With 66 customizable rhythm slots and tap tempo functionality, the FF02 provides dynamic control over your rhythms, ensuring that you can quickly adapt to any musical setting. The design is sleek and intuitive, featuring dual foot switches, LED indicators, and a clear screen for effortless operation. It's lightweight but durable, with stereo inputs and outputs that integrate seamlessly into your pedal board setup or studio environment. The compact size makes it easy to transport, and the simple interface ensures you spend less time fiddling and more time playing. The ability to trigger real-time fills adds a layer of depth to your performances, making it an excellent choice for solo guitarists. Performance-wise, the FF02 stands out for its crisp, high-quality drum sounds and easy-to-use controls. It's particularly suited for guitarists who want a reliable rhythm pedal for live use or studio sessions. At $79.99, it's a great mid-range option that offers a lot of bang for your buck. Pros: wide variety of drum grooves, customizable rhythms, and stereo I/O for versatility. Cons: limited advanced features compared to higher-end models. Coming in at number 3 is the Mer Drum Machine Guitar Pedal with 121 drum grooves. This pedal is designed for guitarists who want maximum control over their drum tracks. It features 11 music styles and 121 drum grooves, making it ideal for players who enjoy experimenting with different genres. Each song bank includes 7 rhythm slots, which can be seamlessly switched via the foot switch, allowing for smooth transitions during performances. The fill function and tap tempo knob make live performances dynamic and engaging. The design of the Mer drum machine pedal is professional and robust, with a clean layout that includes EQ controls for quick tone adjustments. It's slightly larger than some competing models, but still compact enough to fit on your pedal board. the build quality is excellent, and the intuitive interface ensures that even players new to drum machines can dive right in. The pedal supports external foot switch control and includes editor software for preset management and firmware updates. In terms of performance, the Mer drum machine excels with its wide range of drum grooves and user-friendly controls. It's perfect for guitarists who want a pedal that can handle both practice and live gigs. Priced at $110.99, it's a bit higher than mid-range options, but justifies its price with its advanced features and solid build quality. Pros: versatile drum grooves, fill function, and EQ knob. Cons: slightly bulky compared to other models. At number 2, we have the budget-friendly Mer PE100 portable multi-effects pedal. For just $34.32, this compact device packs a surprising amount of functionality. It features a full range of amp models, effects, stomp boxes, and drum patterns, making it a versatile tool for guitarists on a budget. With 99 factory presets and 99 user presets, you can store and instantly recall your favorite tones using the quick recall buttons. The drum machine includes 40 drum patterns and 10 metronomes, which are perfect for practice sessions. The PE100 is incredibly portable, with a slim design that fits easily into your pocket. The touch panel operation is intuitive, allowing you to tweak your settings with ease. While the build quality is lightweight, it feels sturdy enough for regular use. It's powered by either a DC adapter or batteries, making it convenient for on-the-go musicians. The precision tuner ensures your instrument stays in tune, and the tap tempo functionality adds versatility to the drum machine and delay effects. Performance-wise, the PE100 delivers solid sound quality for its price, making it ideal for beginners or guitarists looking for an affordable practice tool. However, its lightweight design and smaller screen might not appeal to players who need a more professional setup. Pros: extremely affordable, portable design, and versatile features. Cons: limited advanced features and basic build quality. Finally, at number 1, we have the Beat Buddy Mini 2 hands-free drum machine guitar effect pedal. This premium model is perfect for guitarists who want professional quality drum tracks with full hands-free control. It includes 200 songs spanning a wide range of genres, each featuring multiple parts, fills, transitions, intros, and outros. The oversized foot switch is barefoot-friendly and easy to hit, making it ideal for live performances. The visual metronome on the screen helps improve rhythm and learn new time signatures with ease. The design is compact yet rugged, with a lightweight aluminum body that's built to last. It fits easily onto a pedal board and boasts a sleek frost finish. The interface is intuitive, ensuring that even beginners can start using it right away. The hardware features a 1/4-inch audio interface, and it's powered by a DC adapter for reliable performance. The Beat Buddy Mini 2 truly shines when it comes to user experience. It puts creative control of the beat directly at your feet. Priced at $149, the Beat Buddy Mini 2 is the most expensive option on this list, but it delivers exceptional value for guitarists who demand high-quality sound and hands-free control. Pros: premium drum tracks, hands-free operation, and durable build quality. Cons: higher price point compared to other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.